Whoa, what was that?
Something's coming. I can hear it. It's nearby.
What's coming?
Don't worry, I'll handle it. Don't worry, I got this.
Holy shit!
I don't know what's happening, but I'm already hating it. Whatever that guy was, or whoever he is, he's abnormal looking. Something's wrong. We need to move. Now! Come on, let's move.
Dude, why are we running? And what's going on? Who was that guy? Yeah, you haven't explained us who he was and what's going on. Lucifer, what's going on? What's happening?
I have no clue either, but I already hate it. Because whatever that guy is, or whoever he is, something's wrong. Something's really wrong. We need to get out of here fast, or else we're gonna be one of them too.
One of who?
The guy I just killed earlier.
You killed him? How?
With just a fire blast. What do you mean? Come on, we don't have time.
Wait, you can use fire? I didn't know that.
There's no time to explain. Let's just go. Go. Get the hell away from them. Huh?
What?
All right, guys, hang on tight. What do you mean by hanging on?